Welcome to Connected Media IP, the signature destination at NAB Show, helping organisations deliver connected content experiences. I'm Bridget Nzeku and I'm delighted to be joined by Eric Achtmann, Executive Chairman at VNova. Eric, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having us, Bridget.
I understand VNova launched on the 1st of April and actually you've been around in stealth mode for about 5 years.
This is true. So VNova is the company. The products which we offer, the technology which we offer is called Perseus. And in fact, we've been developing that over 5 years. What we offer is advanced compression. We deliver software that gives extremely high quality, high performance compression with very low latency. It's effectively a software that turbocharges the existing infrastructure.
So who are your customers? Who is Perseus for and what does it do?
Well, in broadcasting and media, it's anybody who needs to transport a signal from A to B. Our customers are anybody who are interested in having UHD at HD bit rates, HD at SD bit rates, and SD at sub-audio bit rates. Now that's in broadcasting and media, but in fact, we know that video is all pervasive, and many people in the world need encoders and decoders like the ones we sell. So if we look at the industry verticals that it's relevant for, that includes aerospace, medical imaging, video conferencing, security, and a host of others.
So you've got wide coverage there, and this is your NAB debut, and interestingly, you're in 4 locations, I understand. Tell us about those locations.
Well, it's true. So you asked the question about 5 years of stealth mode. The reason we were in stealth mode for 5 years is because we believe it's important to deliver products as opposed to talk about technology. People who've developed products themselves or in the past know that the first 50% of the effort gets you 95% of the way, but that last 5% that gets you to enterprise-grade dependability, real products that you can use and install, is 50% of the effort. And so when we set about to do this, understanding that, we decided to start on day one with the goal of delivering only market-ready products. And because of the size and scope of the opportunity and that these are mission-critical applications, we decided from day one to work in open innovation with a group of consortium partners.
And you've got some big names on board.
Indeed we do, and in fact you mentioned the 4 stands. So we're presenting at NAB at 4 stands. One of our largest presentations is on the Hitachi stand, working together with Hitachi on enterprise-grade servers. We're also on the stand with Encompass Digital Media, where we're showing OTT solutions. We are also on the stand with Elber, showing our P-Link product, and we're also on the stand with Visual On, showing how our codec plugin can be put into common popular players like the ones used by Amazon or ESPN to distribute content to mobile handsets.
So you've got these this kind of 4 presences, as it were. Tell us a bit about how you deliver.
Okay, so essentially, as I mentioned before, we're a software company. Our specialty is doing great, high compression, high quality, low latency software. Now that software needs to be delivered to an ecosystem that has different needs. So for example, we can package that software, that codec, as an appliance as we do with the enterprise grade servers that we offer, for example, with Hitachi. Then we have embedded software, which we deliver for other applications. For example, we're currently running UHD decoding on a standard i5 Intel NUC at 4 megabits per second. Then we talk about the codec plugin. As I mentioned before, we're integrated into the Visual On player. There are, I think, 120 million people reach with the Visual On player. We can work with others, and so the codec plugin goes in. And then, of course, this whole question, can this be put into silicon? The answer is yes, so we also work with silicon vendors on a silicon IP basis. Keeping in mind one important thing, already is a software plugin. The Perseus compression codec is in fact more efficient on the processor side than legacy codecs.
And just finally, tell us a bit about your business model, because you're in fact a new company. What is your business model, and where are you going to see yourself in, say, a year's time at NAB 2016?
Absolutely. Well, the business model goes back to the basics of when we set up the company. When we spoke with our customers and partners on day one 5 years ago, they gave us a mandate, and they said, "Guys, we're going to support you. You're going to build this, but you're going to use the existing ecosystem. You're going to use existing or commercial off-the-shelf hardware, and you're going to use our existing workflows, and please don't make the pricing complicated." So we follow the licensing model that the industry already uses, and we price very competitively.
Erik Achtmann, very good to talk to you. Good luck with everything at vNova. We'll be watching you closely, and we hope you come back and talk to us next year.
Thank you so much for having us.